Hi, Jay. This is Tequila. See? Say hi, Tequila. And we bought her a nice toy. See that? The rings. And then at the bottom is a bell. And then we got her a nice, cute little bed. Hopefully you can see that. Look at her. She just loves it. She's not paying any attention to it now. But say hello, Tequila. Say hi. Say hello to Jay. Come on. Say hello. Say hi. Say I love you. Say hello. Come on, I gotta shut it off in a minute. Say hello. Say hi. Wave your foot bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, there she goes.